puppies from our Roasted Chestnut litter have been out playing, and now I'm hoping they've worked up an appetite because we're gonna move into their first feeding. Hey, and look at that. Oh, what's going on? Oh, she didn't want to be on her belly apparently. There we go. Oh, what was that? That's a funny toy, hey? Yeah, hi. Okay. You guys ready? Puppies from our Roasted Chestnut litter are trying to figure out what this big tasty pan in the middle of the whelping box is. Although the puppies have moved out of the whelping box, we use it as a little contained feeding area for the puppies so that they don't get too dirty. And when they get dirty, they get cold at this age, and we don't want them cold afterwards either. Oh, looks like they're catching on very well. No issues in the lapping department. So we have 4 puppies in Sienna's litter. They are all doing amazingly well. They're meeting all their developmental milestones. They are playful. They love to connect with all of us. And Mama Sienna has certainly started her weaning process. It is overdue probably for them to start eating. She's just been like, yeah, no, you guys need to find your food source somewhere else. And that's where we come in. All puppies in this litter have homes that they're going to be going to when they turn 8 weeks old. We do have our other litter, Tessa's Spring Breeze litter with reservation availability. If you are interested, her litter is just outstanding. Not just in looks and structure, but their temperaments are just, even at this younger age, spot on for what we were hoping. Visit our website and you can complete a puppy application, and we'll work through the process with you. Awesome job, you guys. Yeah, so good. Oh, yes. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It's very helpful for our program. We want everyone to be able to enjoy and learn in their puppy process. It's very important for a good transition. And one of the ways we can continue to do that is through our videos and photos and information we're sending out. Have a great day, everyone.